Hi Michael, it's New Year's Eve. We've stayed back for you. You brought your little Nissan Note in.
Yes.
Turbo diesel.
Yes.
An irritating DPF related light, which we've resolved, and you know, we knew we could do that. But I've just asked you to go for a little test drive to see if you can feel any other differences with the vehicle.
Yeah.
So you've just done that.
Yeah, it's remarkable. It's got a lot more lift to it. Where I hadn't realised how sluggish it was getting. I'm just so relieved to see that orange light going off, and Mark has fitted me in at very short notice because I've got a hair-raising MOT in 2 days' time. So no, it's all good, and
Thank
I'm
you very much.
very pleased.
And Happy New Year to you. Thank you very much for this.
Thanks.
Thank you.